This video I'm going to show you how you can access DeepSeek AI using your Android mobile. First way is to go to Play Store, Google Play Store here, then tap there, then come down here, right there on the search bar, right, DeepSeek AI, then click. You're gonna see this one. This is the one that is trending. Then you're gonna tap on it. Once you tap on it, you're gonna write, or maybe you're gonna click install. Okay, just install. And then over here you are seeing it's gonna start installing. And also something else you can do is to go down here, scroll up down, and read some of the reviews people are talking about. And if we can read some of them, this one is saying literally the best free LLM RN. I have tested this for coding task, content creation, and technical troubleshooting, and it is even better than GPT-4 mini in most cases. Most importantly, it's free. The only minor issue that I faced sometimes is with the file attachment feature. It sometimes fails to scan an image, but I hope DeepSeek team will soon fix it, and maybe they even add more attachment options in the future. This one says DeepSeek is incredible. It is like having a personal assistant, tutor, creative partner, blah blah blah. Okay, now that our DeepSeek has actually installed, you're gonna open here. You click open, and then here you will see this dashboard. They say thank you for using DeepSeek. Please carefully read. You have to read these terms and policy. Once you read, you click here where it says agree, and then you can either sign in using your email or your phone number, and then you put your password, or maybe and then you confirm and then log in. Or another way is to use Google to sign in. So if you have Google account, just click here. You're gonna click there, then you're gonna click agree. And there you are already on mobile app of DeepSeek AI. Now you will see this dashboard. It is similar to ChatGPT 1. We have the one for DeepThink, this button for search, and plus. Now this one, you're gonna click on this one to allow it. This is the one that you're gonna click to allow it to DeepThink. And then if you want also for it to search on the website, on the internet, you can click search. Okay, and then this is the place where you will have to put a prompt, or you're gonna be communicating with the AI in terms of helping you depending on what you want. For instance, you can ask it a question by writing, what is DeepSeek AI? Okay, you can ask it, you can have a chat, and then you click here, you press where is this arrow, and then it's gonna give you an answer. As you can see, DeepSeek search service is busy, please disable search or try again. Okay, they are saying you disable search. Okay, let's disable. And this is an issue. It has been refusing sometimes to give you a feedback. So let's see the feedback again. We're gonna press here, and then you can see one thing I love about this AI is that it is even thinking like it is showing you in real time the feedback that is giving you. Like here it says, okay, the user is asking about DeepSeek AI. Let me start by recalling what I know. Okay, so it's gonna go through the whole process. Once it has analyzed everything, it's gonna give you the answer here. Now the first one here, it says Cofaca's large language model LLMS develops advanced LLMs for tasks like natural language processing, text generation, and conversational AI. AGA Research aims to create more general-purpose AI system capable of human-like reasoning and adaptability. Multimodal AI explores integration of text, image, and other data types for richer AI integration. So you're gonna go through all of this if you want to know what is DeepSeek AI like. But this is the answer that it gave. DeepSeek AI is a Chinese company focused on artificial intelligence research and development, particularly in the areas of large language models, LLMs, and artificial general intelligence, AGI. Established with the goal of advancing AI technology for broad societal benefit, DeepSeek emphasizes both theoretical research and practical applications. And here is an overview of its key aspects. So it's gonna give you all these key aspects that we have talked about. Now let's go back here. At the top here, you're gonna click here. You can see the conversation that you're gonna be having here on the other side. If you have any conversation, it's gonna name it here, and then you can visit or revisit. This is the same like history. Okay, and then here down here it is where you have your account. You can go through your account and see the terms, the privacy, check updates, color, app language, contact us, log out, delete all chats, delete an account. Okay, so that is one way of accessing DeepSeek using your Android mobile phone. Another way I want to show you, if you can go to Google or any browser that you are using and just type in DeepSeek AI, and then you're gonna find it here, and then you will scroll down. You will see this first link. This is DeepSeek. This is their website. You're gonna click on it. Once you click on it like that, you're gonna wait for a few minutes. It's gonna bring you to this dashboard, and this is where you're gonna be having a conversation, or maybe where you're gonna be doing your projects like coding, or maybe having prompting, stuff like that. So you're gonna, if you want to have a chat, or if you want to see the whole thing, you're gonna click here first where it says start now, and then when you click there, it's gonna bring to you the same way I have shown you using the mobile app. If you click here, you will see your conversation, and then if you want another conversation, you can do it here. What else can we do? So that is it. I just wanted to show you guys how to start having a conversation with DeepSeek using your mobile phone. I'll see you next in my next videos. Bye.